Do you know the health benefits of guava according to Ayurveda? Guava, a common tropical fruit, is not just delicious, but it's also packed with numerous health benefits. In Ayurveda, every part of the guava tree, including its fruit, leaves, and bark, is recognized for its medicinal properties. Let's begin with the fruit. The guava fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients that contribute to various health benefits. First off, it is excellent for digestive health. The dietary fiber in guava aids digestion and prevents constipation, offering a natural solution for digestive discomfort. Next, it acts as a potent immunity booster. With its rich vitamin C content, guava helps your body fight off infections and illnesses, keeping you healthy and strong. Moreover, Ayurveda suggests that guava may help regulate blood sugar levels. This is attributed to its fiber content and the presence of certain compounds. Finally, the guava fruit is believed to contribute to cardiovascular health. It helps manage blood pressure and cholesterol levels, ensuring your heart stays in optimal condition. Moving on to guava leaves. These leaves are known for their antioxidant properties. They help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage. Guava leaves also have anti-inflammatory benefits. This property may assist in managing inflammatory conditions, offering relief from discomfort and pain. Additionally, some studies suggest that guava leaf extract may play a role in controlling blood sugar levels, making it a potential natural solution for managing diabetes. And for dental health? Chew on guava leaves. They are believed to be beneficial for oral health, aiding in preventing gum issues and bad breath. Now, let's talk about guava bark. Though not commonly consumed, Ayurveda suggests that it can be useful in managing diarrhea due to its astringent properties. In addition, it is traditionally believed to help manage menstrual disorders, providing a natural remedy for women's health. So, how can you incorporate guava into your diet? For the fruit, you can eat it fresh or include it in salads, smoothies, or fruit bowls. You can also enjoy freshly squeezed guava juice. As for the leaves, you can prepare a tea by steeping them in hot water and enjoy it for its potential health benefits. The guava bark, on the other hand, is not commonly consumed directly. In traditional Ayurvedic practices, it may be used in the form of a decoction or herbal preparation under expert guidance. To sum up, guava is more than just a tasty fruit. Its fruit, leaves, and bark all offer a range of health benefits, from boosting immunity and promoting digestive health to managing blood sugar levels and improving heart health. So the next time you see a guava, remember it's not just a fruit, it's a powerhouse of health benefits.